In this quick tutorial, we'll guide you through the easy registration process. Type in all the information as you see fit. And don't forget to check the terms and privacy box. Once done, hit the Continue button. To enhance our platform's efficiency, we ask our new users to verify their identity with a payment method. Simply fill in your card information and click the Save Payment Method button. After saving your payment method, check your email inbox. You'll find a verification link. Click on it to confirm your email. Inside the email, you'll see a verification letter. Click on the Verify Email button, and there you have it. Your account is now registered with us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.